G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome back to another episode where we're going to continue to take a look at the Office mobile application and a few other features and functionality components of the app itself. So as we can see here, I'm just on the home page here and I'm just flicking through the recommended section across the top. Now you can see here that it lets me know what documents that I've recently opened. And also this second document here, it tells me that somebody has edited this document. I've recently opened this new user guide. I've also recently opened this financial calendar. Now, as we scroll down the page a little bit further, we can see the other activity from a files perspective that I've taken. You can see that I've either viewed or accessed a couple of documents yesterday, last week, and even older than that. Now, the good thing about this application is we can do a lot of things that we can do on the desktop version or on our computer directly from this app. So let's, for example, say that we're mobile, we're on the go, we're in the out of the office, but we need to share a document, for example. So we get a phone call, get an email, and somebody needs access to a particular file. What we can do here is we can share directly from within the application. So if I, for example, have a look at this masterclass document, and I click and I tap the three little dots, I can actually share this document directly from here. And you'll notice that this sharing panel is exactly the same, or the dialog box is exactly the same experience as we get if we're on our PC. So I can select here, I can have specific people, and I can then type in that specific person's email address, and I can then send that, and that's shared with that particular person. So really, really easy for an end user to be able to share documents while they're on the go. The other things that we can do from this ellipses here is I can tap that, but I can pin particular documents to the top of the screen. So if I choose pin to the top and I hit done, you'll see here that that document now has been pinned to the top of the document list. And if I need to remove it, then I can toggle that and it's going to remove that from the top of the screen. We can also rename, we can move, and we can also delete documents from that option panel there as well. Now, down the bottom of the screen here, now you'll notice that I've changed into dark mode. So it's flicked over from light mode to dark mode. Now you'll see the plus button, the big plus at the bottom of the screen. If I hit this plus button, I did recently do a post about how to turn your mobile device into a scanner by using Office Lens. Now, the good thing, again, about this app is that Office Lens is baked right into the application. So you'll see the middle option here called Lens. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a few documents from my camera roll and join those together and create a PDF document. So when I hit on Lens, you can see here that I've got the ability to choose a number of different images from my camera roll. And I've chosen 3 there, and I'm just going to hit the arrow. And you can see here that it's processing. There's my cat inside my computer bag. And I've got 2 and I've got 3 images there. I'm just going to hit the file type. So you'll notice there that I can change what type of file that is going to be created. So I can either set it to Word, I can set it to an image, or I can set it to PDF. So in this case, I'm going to set it to PDF. I'll hit done, and that's going to create a document for me. Now I can edit this document here. I can mark it up if I need to. So let's just use a blue pencil here, and I'll draw a circle, and then I'll OK that. And then I'm going to hit the bottom right-hand arrow there, and I can now name the document. All right, so I'm just going to call this images from Office app. And I can choose now a location where to save that document to. So you can see here that I'm inside my OneDrive for Business in the Contoso area, and I'm just going to choose documents. All right, so I'll choose documents. Actually, let's select other location and we'll see where the other locations that we can choose from. So we can see here that I can choose either OneDrive for Business, or I can choose and navigate through my sites. So I'm going to stay within my OneDrive for Business, and I'm just going to choose Masterclass folder, and I'm going to choose that. And now I'm going to save that and upload that into that location. All right, so that's now uploading into my OneDrive. You can see there directly on the screen, I've got the PDF. I can open that up now, and it's going to scan through, and there's the three images that are now being converted into a PDF document. So another really handy piece of functionality there. The other thing that I've noticed works really well is the search. So top right hand corner, we've got the search button. Now I'm just going to scroll down the page here, and let's look for a particular document that we're going to search for. Let's search for that test document. So let's hit the search box. We'll just start in test. And there's the document called test one. Let's have a look. And there's that document. Now you can see that it searches across SharePoint sites and also your OneDrive for Business. So that test document actually lives in the Mark 8 project team location there, and not in my OneDrive. So I'm just going to cancel that out. And the other option and the other functionality from the home page here is this folder in the top right hand corner. So when I click that folder, I can then open a particular document. I can browse. So I can browse my sites. There's the project, Mark 8 project team. It's going to delve into that site. There's the document library, and I can navigate my way down through through the document library of that particular site in question. Okay. If I tap on the actions icon on the right down the bottom right as well, you'll notice that there's a number of different things that we can do with the app. We can scan to PDF, again using Office Lens, and we scan QR codes. We've already gone through sign a PDF, and we can convert images to text, and also images to tables as well. So the Office mobile application does provide you with a lot of a lot of things that can help you save time and manage your files and be productive while you're on the go. And it really is an app that needs to be considered when you're rolling out Office 360, Microsoft 365, or Office 365 in your organization. And it is something that you need to make your users aware of. So I hope that brings you some value today, and I will see you in the next episode.